Alrighty, so not too long ago, we checked out the t-shirts from WYR, and just recently they sent me some of their new fall colors. I'm wearing one right now, but also their no sweat jogger and shorts. So I'm gonna focus more on the stuff I haven't covered. But if you see my past video reviews, their t-shirts have received a good rating on the channel, and they're still holding up very well till this day. I'm really feeling like the fall colors that they release, the colors remain to have a bit of that matte finish like their other tees, and that Egyptian cotton with that added stretch, I mean, surpasses many other, basic tees in the market. Now I'll link my first video review so you guys can check it out, so you can get a much better in-depth review. But let's just check out the joggers. Now joggers have been, in the comeback lately, and what differentiates WYR joggers from others is pretty much the whole design, really. Just looking at it, you would assume these are just a pair of regular pants with the denim style pockets, but what they did at the bottom was not only giving these a tight taper, but also including, ribbing on the back side of the hem. So it's kind of like a jogger hybrid pant. Alrighty, so let's move on to the fit. WYR sent me both a size medium and large to try out because these are very slim. I'll throw on the medium so you can see what these look like. But yeah, these are very slim and just very tapered and fitted at the bottom. It's a cotton spandex blend, so you will have a bit of stretch, but I would size up if you're in between sizes. So I'm gonna throw on the large right now. So the large feels much better, but they are a bit long, but since these are very tapered at the bottom, I could just roll up a few cuffs. I do like how they added a deep zippered pocket, which is something, you don't see in sweatpants. And if they do have pockets, then chances are it's very small, so kudos for deep pockets. Next are the shorts. They also sent me both a size medium and large, and just like the joggers, they are very slim, so I had to size up to a large. The leg opening and rise is just right, not too tapered and not too wide. Now since these are 95% cotton, I would just air dry these to prevent them from shrinking. The t-shirts have held up well in the dryer with minimal shrinkage, but guys, just be safe and follow the wash instructions. I know I always put all the t-shirts in a hot dry cycle. I just do it as a stress test. But from here on out, I'm gonna just follow the wash instructions, and I think you guys should as well. But anyways, guys, that's a quick little rundown on WYR wear on their joggers and shorts. Let me know what you guys think. I think the discount code is still valid from the last video. I think it's AS15. I'll make sure to link everything in the description below. And yeah, that wraps up this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.